Hello everyone and welcome to episode 2 of Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to be demoing how we can build out completely customizable dashboards within Nimbus in under a couple of minutes. Out of the box statistics are great, but what about those customers who need something a little bit more advanced or a little bit more bespoke? That's the problem statement that we're going to be answering with Nimbus today. So let's dive straight into the demo. You can see here that I'm just within the dashboard section within Nimbus, and on the right hand side I've got my add widget functionality. So I can start to now add widgets into my dashboard at will. You can see here that I've got service widgets and I've also got user widgets. Service widgets are going to give me information on my ring groups, and the user widgets are going to give me information and details on my agents. Let's, for the sake of the demo, just pretend that I'm a contact center supervisor and build out a contact center supervisor's dashboard that they might like to see. I'm going to start with my user state chart here, which is going to give me some really nice information around who's available at any given time within my contact center and what the state is of those different agents. So let's go ahead and save that. So you can see here, really nice donut appears. I've got 2 available agents, I've got 1 who's away, and it gives me the total number of agents in the middle as well. As a contact center supervisor, it's probably going to be really important for me to have visibility of what's going on in different services or different ring groups at any given time. So let's go ahead and start to add in different ring groups just here. Let's go ahead and save that. So as you can see, this is going to give me a really nice holistic view of the contacts that are coming in to the contact center and who they're connected to, what their time in state is. And critically, it's going to give us the ability to listen, whisper, and barge into those interactions. As a contact center supervisor, it's probably going to be quite important for me to be able to see user performance. So if we want to go ahead and start adding in some of our users here, let's again just use a handful of the UK team. And this is going to give us some really nice information around the number of calls accepted, the number of calls ignored, declined. And what we can actually do is filter that right the way back to 30 days. We can go back further using our Power BI dashboards, but we'll save that for another day. Let's for now just filter that back to the last 48 hours. And let's also see the percentage of accepted calls and the percentage of declined calls as well. Maybe we have some KPIs against those percentages that we're wanting to see. Let's go ahead and save that. And as if by magic, it gives us a really nice holistic view of what's going on per agent. The number of accepted calls, number of RONAD calls, which is ignored calls, number of declined, and we've got the percentage of accepted and declined in there as well. To finish, as a contact center agent, it's probably going to be quite important for us to see some KPIs against different services as well. So let's go ahead and make this a little bit smaller and get all of this fitting onto one screen for us just there. There we go. So what we can start to do now is add in different services that we're responsible for. Let's get the contact center UK in there. And let's get another handful of services in there as well. And what we can start to do is add in some parameters around what we're wanting to see. Maybe we want to see hang up in IVR, accepted by user. Let's monitor against our hang up SLA as well. All stuff that contact center supervisors are going to be measured against, and we can save that. And as you can see here, we get a really nice visibility of live, who's in queue, what the longest wait time is, what our acceptance SLA is per service. We've got our inbound reachability. We've got hang up in IVR, how many calls have been hung up in IVR, and we can start to address that afterwards. And then we've got accepted by user, and we've got our hang up SLAs as well there, guys. So the problem statement here, guys, that we're trying to identify with some of our customers is the out-of-the-box statistics that we're getting enough, and is that reporting enough for them to gather business intelligence? If it's not, custom dashboard is the answer, and you can see how easy it is for us to build that out in under a couple of minutes. So thanks, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.